Hello friends, my name is Neeti Shukla, Assistant Professor, SIRT IT Department. So in my topic, Industrial Revolution 4.0, now I will explain in this video the challenges in Industry 4.0. There are various challenges in this Industry 4.0. Few I will explain. Let's start. So there are various challenges in Industry 4.0. Few important challenges I will describe. The first one is energy efficiency. So the energy efficiency, since most of the industrial IoT applications are required to run on batteries, hence such sensors need to be designed which use lesser power or work on lifetime batteries. Actually, there are numerous methods to achieve energy efficiency, such as lightweight communication protocols or adopting low power radio receivers to manage the energy efficiency, to harvest the energy. Actually, we have to harvest the energy from various sources like thermal, solar, and vibration, wireless radio frequencies, and many more. Since radio frequency energy harvesting may provide benefits in terms of being wireless, readily available in the form of transmitted energy like TV, radio, broadcastings, mobile base stations, handheld radios, it will low cost and in terms of small form factors of devices. So there are various ways, and this is one of the main challenge. And when we are in computer era and we have to use Internet of Things, so the devices are based on energy batteries, and we have to maintain that battery life, and so we have to make them efficient. So this is the main one of the challenge, to make the energy efficient in this in various ways. And the next one is data integration challenge. So it is also one of the main challenge in industry 4.0, since various devices are connected together on different platform which communications which communicate with each other. Data flow between them and analysis on that data, and then action will perform on that data. Thus the in data integration is most important thing and challenging also. In industry, in IoT actually, है ना, various devices are located to monitor the machines, and these machines are connected all together, and data will flow between them to analyze that data, and we perform some actions on that data. So data integration is very complex and vary data from different service, different ways, different sensors and actuators combined together. So also frequency at which data is being generated by multiple devices also different. So it's really difficult to make the data easier for data analysis. The challenges involved with the device diversities in industrial IoT can also address in three dimensions: software flexibility, multimode radios, and cross technology communication. These are the ways for data integration. Next challenge is security and privacy. Since Industry 4.0 mainly concerned with the interconnection of various devices, so security becomes a crucial element in Industry 4.0. There are various areas where data security is required. The two most important security concerns in Industry 4.0 are information security and data privacy. The various areas where we need the various areas like healthcare industries, food industries, power grids, national transport, etc. There we need security. In healthcare industry, we need security because data security actually, because where the data integration is highly essential. The patient records are essential. Private and privacy is necessary in that also. And in food industries where information that can harm the reputation of the company should kept confidential. In power grid, where collapse of a power grid can result in a huge impact. National transportation, actually national transportation forms a veins of the nation, and making them secure is very crucial. So data security is really very hard and crucial also, so that we can make our industry 4.0 successful. And the last challenge I will explain is lack of skills. Actually, since in industry 4.0, actually industry 4.0 introduced with the new technologies, as the machines and robots take charge, the unqualified workforce are replaced with skilled workforce or skilled laborers. So actually there is a limitations of skilled workers in the new technologies. Workers should have vast and diverse knowledge are needed. Actually the kind of skilled has changed. मीन्स वर्कर्स नीडेड है, हमें अभी भी लोग चाहिए काम करने के लिए, ऐसा नहीं कि मशीन सारा काम कर रही हैं, बट स्किल्ड वर्कर्स आर नीडेड, स्किल्स चेंज हो गई हैं. ओके अभी भी लोग चाहिए जो मशीन को देख सके, मशीन पे वर्क कर सके, है ना, डेटा एनालिस्ट कर सके. लाइक द प्रोफेशंस दैट आर गोइंग टू शाइन माइट बी digital market experts, digital HR experts, interface designers, data analysts, data management professionals, and various others. So the kind of skills has changed. So we need workers, but especially skilled workers, like I said. And so at the same time, new job descriptions, new job descriptions, new professionals, new initiatives, and new sectors with novel business opportunities also came up in the fourth industry revolution. And thanks. And in the next video, I will explain the applications of Industry 4.0. Thank you. Stay tuned and keep learning with SIRT. Thank you.